everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and I am from webapp.blogspot.com. Welcome to the part 27 of e-commerce website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully created these buttons and we successfully create this H3 tag for related products. So in this tutorial we will create we will display all the related products which is for this product. So simply we are going to our function.php and look at here, we need to close this echo from here, and also we need to write here echo then here, just because we need to write a query here and we need to also create one loop here. So for that reason we need to close this echo from here, and we need to also create one echo from here just because we need to close this div here. So now we need to create a symbol ul. Okay, also need to create echo here. Okay, not a echo here, we simply create here ul. Okay, double quote it over it here and cut this echo from here and paste it from here. Okay, so now here we also need to create one query. Okay, so simply we are going to use a query like simpro. We need to create one variable simpro, then database connection, then inside this double quotes, okay, we need to create something like select all from products but where it's it's pro id equal to this id, which is catch our get. So when I copy this from here and paste it from here by Control V, so now I think, okay, not a use of prepare statement, so we need to use here prepare. Okay, now all the syntax are going. Now we need to fetch this by set fetch mode. Then what's the set fetch mode is PDO fetch underscore assoc. Okay, now we need to here simpro, then execute it, execute. Okay, now we need to create one while loop here just because we need to fetch all the products of our which is related of our this product. So we need to create a while loop like row equal to, we need to execute this query inside this while loop. So we need to put that variable here, and also we need to use here fetch function and while. Okay, inside this and while we simply going to echo double quotes over double quote. Okay, so here we simply create one li, and inside li we use a href equal to has, for now has a tag close here. Inside this a tag we need here first product image, so src equal to something like we need to first of all give the folder name, which is here imgs, but inside imgs we have one folder pro image, so we need to put that here pro image slash double quote for concat and dot dot for concatenation, and here we use a row, then single quote, then what's the name of our database field name here for pro image 1. Okay, so now we need to close this image tag here, and let's check what's the name of our database for image field structure. Okay, look at this now, pro image 1. So let's check what happened here when I coming here and press refresh button. Okay, we make a mistake here. Yes, we make a mistake here. We need to catch here its product main cat id here. So we say cat id, simple we say cat id equal to, or not from here, just because we execute this query here, so we need to we need to create one variable here like cat id equal to $row pro, and then we need to put here cat id. Okay, so just come back to our database. Okay, look at this here, cat id, we have one field cat id, so we need to target this variable directly from our here we use here that variable, and we also change the field name and say cat id, just because we need that related product which is available for this product. So now I'm going to refresh it. Okay, look at this now, all the related products are coming for this product. Okay, when I going to home page and select a different product, okay, look at this now all the related product of this product which is displaying here. So now we need to design it in proper way, so we will go into our css here. First of all we need to create a ul, and here we say list style type then none. Okay, so now same underscore pro, then ul li a, and then image. Okay, so image will be like something like its width will be around I think 150 pixel. Okay, 180 pixel, and its height will be around something like 250 pixel. Let's check now what happened here. Okay, look at this now, but I think it's not, yeah, it's coming now, and we need to, I think we need to this product into a vertical mode. So how can we do that? We simply need to create one sim pro ul li, then its float will be float left. Okay, left. Let's check now what happened here. Okay, look at this now, all are perfectly coming, but I think we need to decrease some Yeah, we need to make some space between these two images. So we say margin left something like 20 pixel. Yeah, let's check 20 pixel, refresh it. Okay, 20 pixel is perfect. So, and one thing more guys, when what happened when our related products is more than 5, so it's a big problem that more than we have more than 5 products, so it's going down here, but we need only 5 product display here. So how can we do that? Just simply coming on here inside our query after this, and we say order by 1 DESC. No, not a border order. We simply use here limit 0 to 5. Okay, if we use here 0 to 2, so it's display here only 2 products. Let's check here. Okay, look at this now. 2 products is coming now. When I say only 1 product and refresh it again, okay, look at this now. It's only available for 1 product. So for that way we use here 5, 0 to 5. So it's coming all it's display all the 5 products which is related this product. So now we need to display here its price and text. I think let's check our website, main website, and what we done that there localhost yeah, real shop. Okay, when I click on here, yeah, its name and its price. So we are coming here and we need to display here first of all name, like inside yeah, we simply use a p tag here, p tag, and then double quotes dot and then dollar row pro, or not a row pro, just because we use here dollar row, so we need to use here dollar row, and here we need to put a database field name. Our database field name for product is pro name. Okay, let's take a refresh and check. Okay, look at this now, it's coming perfectly. So now what are you going to do? We need to display here a price, so we say we use again here pro p tag dot dollar row, then pro price. Okay, then refresh it again. Okay, look at this now, all the price is coming. So now we need to put here text like price. Now we are going to refresh it. Okay, look at this now, price is coming. And going to CSS, and we need to put here, where is the word li? Okay, here it is. So we need to also control, yeah, we need to here width, we need to here a width here. Now we are going to refresh it. Okay, look at this now. Now I think it's looking perfectly, but we need to center this tag. So p tag inside the center. So how can we do that? Simply going to copy this one from here and paste it from here and say p, then it's text align center. Okay, so now when I'm going to refresh, okay, look at this now in center, it's coming into the center now. So now we need to change this color, just because we use a tag here. So we face this problem that there when I press Ctrl A, and we say margin, oh not a margin, text decoration none, and its color will be 000, which means black color. Refresh it again. Okay, look at this now, but I think underline we make a mistake here. Oh yeah, text decoration none, refresh. Okay, look at this now. Now when someone hover on this product, so it's then the border of all side is coming. So how can you do that? Simply going to copy this one from here, paste it from here, and say hover, then border 1 pixel, solid has 40040. Okay, let's take a refresh and check. Okay, look at this now, border is coming, but we need to space from top of our li. So we say simple here, margin from top side around 10 pixel. Yeah, 10 pixel is perfect. And I'm going to refresh it. Okay, look at this now. But we need to make we face our own problem here. Look, just look at here. When I hover it, it's moving. It's moving. Okay, so how can we fix that? So let's copy it from here by Ctrl C and paste it 1 pixel border here and change the color to FFF. Okay, just now we are going to refresh it again. Okay, look at this now. Now it's not moving. Now we need to make a border here, border radius here. So how can we do that? We need to simple here border radius 3 pixel. Okay, so now when I'm going to refresh it again, okay, look at this now, border is coming perfectly. But just look at here, we this li overwrite our main div. So how can we fix that? So simply we decrease our height to 30 pixel, refresh it. Okay, now it's coming perfectly and very beautifully looking here. And 180 pixel here, 180 pixel is also here, 181 pixel. Let's check what happened now. Okay, just look at here, it's all are coming perfectly. I think we need to remove the height from here. 180 pixel is perfect, and we need to remove yeah, we don't use a height here, so we simply use a padding here. So say padding from all side, we need a all side padding, but it's only 0.5%. okay, now refresh it. Okay, look at this now. I think this is now very beautiful. Okay, so now all are perfectly work for this our product PHP. Now we need to include a footer.php here. So after this one, we need to include double quotes inc/footer.php. okay, now when I refresh it again, okay, look at this now, our footer is also coming perfectly, but we need some space from bottom to our li. So we are again going to style.css and we need to put here a margin from bottom, something like what we use 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Okay, refresh it. Not working. It's not working just because let's decrease the height of our. Yes, we need to put here height. HIGST. No, not a height. Okay, we simply use here padding from bottom, something like a 10 pixel. Let's take a refresh and check. Okay, look at this now. Think now it's coming perfectly. So we need to remove the margin from bottom here. Now refresh it again. Okay, now when someone click on here, so it's display here all the information about this product. So how can we do that? Just simply coming on here. Okay, function.php, and here we need to put the pro detail.php and question mark pro underscore id. We need to create one get here just because we create a get from our index.php here. Okay, so when I click on here, so for that just look at here, pro id equal to 1. We need a we create this get from here, so we also need to create that get again here, and double quotes dot for concatenation operator. Now dollar row underscore, just only row, just because we use here row. So here row, then pro id. Okay, now come back again here, refresh it. Okay, just look at here now, observe here the link is display here. So 1, 3 and 4. Okay, now when I click on here, it's also display all the product, all the information about this product. Okay, so when I click on here, the Philips wireless portable speaker, then so the all the information about this product. So it's a very beautiful and very dynamic, and it's a beauty of PHP. So guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, just because it is very important for you. If you need to know about more videos about my channel, so you need to subscribe my channel. So guys, I think this is enough for today. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with me, stay tuned, and goodbye.